What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another electric scooter. Now this is the Cityrover S5. They're saying that it's the world's most lightweight electric scooter with dual 36 volt motors. That means a motor in, where is it? That means a motor in the front and a motor in the back. So you should have no problem getting up hills, going through some grass. Probably you don't want to go like too off-road with these things. They're saying that, and I quote, "Fast and furious is what the Cityrover S5 was born for." Now what's cool about the dual motor is that you can activate one or two freely. If you need to go up a hill, you turn on the second motor and you just go. Now the whole thing weighs a little over 25 pounds and the max load is about 265 pounds. It actually has an LG 18650 cell battery pack. The charge time is about 5 hours. You're gonna get about 25 miles to the distance and about 15.5 miles per hour. It also has dual braking, so it has an electric analog brake system, but it also has a foot brake. Oh boy. Most of this is gonna be in the description down below, or the link that's in the description, but if you want, you can pause it right here and take a look at all that. So first we got a couple very heavy duty handles. Thick, sturdy rubber, really nice grip. And we got a power brick to charge it. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Whew. Oh my goodness, this is way more heavy duty than the Xiaomi. The front actually has a suspension. These tires are solid. You're not gonna have to worry about getting a flat with these. I'll give you a better look at everything once we go outside and actually test this out. But this is an LED light strip. So that's your headlight, big headlight. Oh, that's such a cool mechanism. Check out the lock mechanism on here. You pull that, and then you can lift up. This thing is heavy duty, this is no joke. Now the grip on here is really, really well done. This whole thing feels extremely solid. Okay, so it's gonna be really difficult to show this in here, so what we're gonna do is go outside, because I just can't show you too much in here. Now the controls are super simple. Your power is over here on the front. Get the little button right here. You hold that down and it turns on. This is the electric stop. There's a secondary stop and that is a manual one. You just put your foot down on the back tire. Now this is your mode button. This is how you go from 1 to 3, and then if you hold it down, it'll go from single to double motor. This is the gas, and it's not like a lot of the other scooters. I like this one because this doesn't require you to push off first. It'll take off as soon as you just push it. This right here, it's kind of funny, but a great safety feature, and it will definitely work because of how annoying it is, but this is the horn. Yeah, it's really loud. The other great thing is the USB port on the front right here. This is for charging your phone while you're riding. And then you got a little hook down here to where you can hook it. That's actually a really nice addition. Now the front, this is the power button. You hold that down to turn it on and off, but if you press it, your LED light comes on, and this thing is extremely bright at nighttime. You will have absolutely no problem seeing the road in front of you or others seeing you on this thing. Also in the back, you can see, there you go, it's actually flashing right now because I have the light on, but as soon as you turn it off, that goes off. Now it does turn back on if you hit the brake. So I'm hitting the brake right now. Now, because this has dual motors, you can actually go a little off-road on this. Now, it's not gonna give you the ability to, mountain climb or anything like that, but, small hills, bumps, curbs, stuff like that, it definitely pays off, because I noticed testing it out on the curb, when I was in single mode, it just wasn't really enough power to get up over it, but as soon as I turned on the second motor, it went over the curb with no problem. I almost completely forgot, but the skid pad on this thing has come in so handy so far, and you notice there's very minimal damage done to it. I have ridden it on sharp curbs, on soft curbs, and it just glides right over it. It's not a pleasant sound hearing the scraping of the bottom of your scooter, but rest assured it's gonna be safe because of this skid pad protecting your battery pack. It's really nice. It's a nice feature. So the Cityrover is a beast of an electric scooter. This thing is made with some amazing quality materials. You can definitely tell they didn't skimp on any of the fine details, all the way from safety to using a USB port on the actual scooter to charge your phone while you're riding. This thing was definitely well thought out. Plus, of course, it's got the awesome horn. All right guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here. Okay, now get out of here.